Hello, thanks for inviting me. Hello, thanks for inviting me. I am the best professional cyclist and participate in the Tour de France 2 years ago. I am 18 years old. I travel through the most beautiful place in the world. Canada is much colder than Russia. I really like the Russian language. In Russia, they are strict and polite more than in Canada. Canada, the smallest country in the world in number of people. So far, I have visited Russia, Canada, and France. My favorite place in the France. The cast from France is the best of all. I would like to visit, and us they told me that it is more tourist and bigger than France. Thank you.
Thank you, Jonathan. Thanks you for your hosting. Good happy day. Happy day. Goodbye.
Bye bye. Thank you.